Hi, good morning again. This is Kavita Kundra, and you're now welcome to Biomissy DFSM Biochemistry, Vitamin and Minerals. We are on part 3. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned that it would be in simple language. I hope you found it simple and not complex to learn. So now we are moving towards part 3, Vitamin and Mineral, MSc DFSM Biochemistry. Riboflavin. It has two active forms, FMN and FAD. The enzyme which use FMN and FAD as coenzyme are called flavoprotein. Functions. It functions as coenzyme and it undergoes oxidation reduction reaction. Reaction include addition of two hydrogen atom to oxidized form resulting in the formation of reduced form of flavin. FMN converted to FMNH2. FAD gets converted into FADH2. All FAD exists in cell as FADH2. FAD is coenzyme. It is present in minute quantities and hence to be generated. It is oxidized in mitochondrial respiratory chain. The oxidation coupled with phosphorylation of ADP ultimately forming two molecules of ATP, and the participation of FAD in redox reaction results in the release of utilizable energy at ATP. FMNH2, when oxidized, doesn't form ATP since it is directly oxidized by oxygen or some substance in cell. Majority of flavoprotein contains FAD as coenzyme, so flavin coenzyme are hydrogen carriers in oxidation reactions. Some flavoproteins contain meta-ions and molybdenum and are known as metalloflavonoids. FMN. L-amino acid oxidase in kidney, it functions in oxidative deamination of L-amino acid. It removes amino group as NH2 and oxidizes the remaining portion to keto acid. NADH, dehydrogenase, function in ETC. It passes hydrogen ion from NADH to ubiquinone. FAD, succinate dehydrogenase in citric acid cycle oxidize succinate to fumarate. The enzyme contains iron. Now, acyl coenzyme dehydrogenase oxidize coenzyme A ester of fatty acid at carbon 2 and 3, forming trans-enol coenzyme xanthine oxidase. It participates in last two steps of carbolism of purine base, adenine and guanine, finally form uric acid. Pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is also called vitamin B6 and it is a generic name for 6 compounds called pyridoxine, pyridoxyl, pyridoxamine and their 5 phosphates. Functions of pyridoxine. It functions as coenzyme for many enzymes involved in amino acid metabolism. Two reactions that need vitamin B6, transamination and decarboxylation reaction. Transamination reactions are the reactions that transfer NH2 group from amino acid by enzyme transaminases. Decarboxylation reactions are the reaction of removal of COOH group of amino acid as CO2 catalyzed by enzyme called decarboxylases. Transamination reaction, this is the process of combining deamination and amination reactions according to which the amino group of amino acid reversibly transferred to keto group of another amino acid and effecting interconversions. Transamination represent a process of intermolecular transfer of amino group without splitting ammonia that is highly toxic to the nervous system, that is a neurotoxin. The reaction is freely reversible. All amino acid except lysine, threonine, proline and hydroxyprotein participate in transamination. Transaminase work both in catabolism and biosynthesis. Most mammalian tissue have alanine pyruvate, aminotransferase and glutamate alpha ketoglutarate aminotransferase catalyze the transfer of amino group to pyruvate or to alpha-ketoglutarate, serum level of aminotransferase are elevated in some disease state. Example, Vera hepatitis, myocardial infarction. As beta-6 phosphate is involved in the catabolism of amino acid, it is essential for energy production from amino acid and it is energy releasing vitamin. Decarboxylation. It is catalyzed by enzyme called decarboxylases that require vitamin B6 phosphate as coenzyme. When amino acid undergo decarboxylation, amine is formed, COOH group is removed as CO2. The serine form ethanolamine while tyrosine forms tyramine. Decarboxylation of 5-tryptophan forms serotonin that function as neurotransmitter in the body. Neurotransmitter control transport of nervous impulse, that is cause for depression, irritability, nervousness, etc. with mid deficiencies and peripheral neuropathy and convulsions observed in the deficiencies. L-glutamate decarboxylase also need vitamin B6 phosphate converting into glutamate to gamma aminobutyric, means GABA. That is an important intermediate in body. The enzyme occur in the brain tissue that functions as inhibitory neurotransmitter. Pyridoxal phosphate. It acts as coenzyme that is required for the synthesis of gamma amino acid, aminolevulinic acid, a precursor of heme. Hence, B6 deficiencies lead to anemia. Pyridoxal phosphate is also participate in synthesis of sulfur containing amino acid cysteine, and this is also important since deficiency of B6 results in increased level of homocysteine. High level of homocysteine appears to be the risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Pyridoxal phosphate is a part of enzyme glycogen phosphorylase that breaks glycogen in the body. Hence, when you have low tolerance to exercise, it is associated with vitamin B6 deficiencies, and it is one of the cofactors required for the conversion of amino acid tryptophan to coenzyme NAD. Now, next is niacin. Some niacin synthesized by tryptophan, so it can't be vitamin in strict sense. However, conversion is very small. 60 mg of tryptophan form 1 mg of niacin. Niacin is called nicotinic acid or sometimes vitamin B3. Besides nicotinic acid, the diet also provides us nicotinamide, which is amide of nicotinic acid. Nicotinamide is converted to nicotinic acid in the body, and nicotinic acid is converted to 2-active form by enzyme present in cytosol of the cell, NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NADP+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Functions of niacin. It functions as coenzyme in several oxidation reduction reactions. They are coenzyme occurring both in cytosol as well as in mitochondria. NAD+ linked dehydrogenase catalyze oxido reduction reaction in oxidative pathways, whereas NAD+ linked dehydrogenase or reductase as often found in fatty acid synthesis. The mechanism of oxidation portion takes part in mechanism. One of the hydrogen atom is removed from the substrate as hydrogen nucleus with 2 electrons forming the hydride ion. It is transferred to position of 4 of nicotinamide ring. The 2 coenzyme are always written with superscript in oxidized form, as nitrogen of nicotinamide moiety has 4 valencies. When it is called quaternary nitrogen, in such cases nitrogen carry net positive charge. On being reduced, the nicotinamide nitrogen has 3 valencies, hence it is written about without plus. Pantothenic acid. It forms the coenzyme involved in energy metabolism. It is absorbed in the intestine. A phosphate group is attached forming 4 phosphopentothene followed by addition of amino acid cysteine. This complex get converted to coenzyme as cysteine is present. Coenzyme has free SH group. This is reactive part of molecule. Functions of pentothenic acid. The process of formation of coenzyme thioester with the substrate is called activation of substrate. More than 70 enzymes are there that utilize coenzyme as its derivative. So coenzyme is very important for the metabolism of fat, protein, carbohydrate and some reaction. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, acyl coenzyme synthetase, and pentothenic acid is also a very important component of interesting heat stable protein of low molecular weight called acyl carrier, that is also called ACP. It plays important role in the biosynthesis of fatty acid. Biotin. Biotin acts as a cofactor binding its specific enzyme protein. Functions of biotin: it is associated with carboxylation reaction in which CO2 is added to substrate. These reactions are called carbon dioxide fixation reaction. These enzymes are called carboxylases. All biotin reaction needs ATP as source of energy and magnesium ions. The enzyme which function with biotin are pyruvate carboxylase, propionyl coenzyme carboxylase, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. Carbon dioxide takes part in the form of bicarbonate ion. Carbon dioxide and water gets converted into H2CO3 and then it is interconverted with hydrogen ion and HCO3 negative. Biological role of biotin is carbon dioxide is added in the biotin catalyzed by biotin carboxylase forming carbon dioxide biotin enzyme. This step is called dioxide. The carbon dioxide is then transferred from biotin to substrate pyruvate forming oxaloacetate catalyzed by carboxylase. Biotin enzyme regenerated and biotin enzyme is regenerated. Thus carboxylase is multi-enzyme complex containing 3 components of polypeptide chain comprising a biotin carrier protein, biotin carboxylase, transcarboxylase. Such multi-enzyme complexes are beta oxidase complex in fatty acid synthesis. So you can go through the table here and I hope you will like it, and it is very simple. I have made effort to make it very simple to learn it. Okay, thank you so much.